Whoa, morning guys. Back to the jumper again. Today we're going to fix this switchback pipe. All the way up. It's being washed out by the rain. So, pretty easy. Okay, let's start this one. Okay guys, let me show you whether we're going to ride this switchback climb all the way from here. Haha. Start from here, very steep. Whether we can climb up or not. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Okay, we have finished this switchback climb. Okay, next time we can do the full route from here, going up and then toward this for a loop. Okay, yeah, next I think we're going to fix the small jump over there. That side, there's a small jump there. Okay, see you guys next time.